nervousness, butterflies, but I settled down in the second half. Listening to some advice my teammate Josh Powell gave me, he told me, like, just post up deep, get deep position, and it'll be it's easier to jumpstart you. And that's just what I started doing, and it worked out for me.
You always worry first time back from a lengthy injury, gee, am I going to hurt it again? But that goes away when the game begins, doesn't it?
Yep, it goes away when the game begins. A couple of times, I was a little bit tentative. I think Carmelo came at that leg, and then he attacked it a couple of times. I was a little tentative, but it's going to go away. More games like that.
All in all, if you grade yourself on this outing, what would you give it?
Probably like a B plus.
Andrew, the second half, did it feel like old times a little bit for you?
Yeah, it definitely did. I started to get down the court and get deep position and just turn around the shot.
With all the pain of waiting and sitting out last year and never getting to come back, how good does it feel to just be here, be able to play, and you got this game under your belt?
It feels great to be back and be playing, man. Seriously, teammates been waiting. They fed me the ball a little bit, got me real comfortable out there.
How better do you feel you can get if you're doing stuff like this in your first game back?
When I get my timing back, I think I'll be back. A couple of lob plays, Luke threw me a couple, slow off my feet to get rebounds and stuff like that. That'll change the more games I play.
The offense game, but how do you think about your defense and rebounding?
That's what I'm saying. A little sluggish. Lateral movement's a little bit slow, but I'm gonna feel it out. More time I get out there on the court.
Do you think you'll be back? I mean, do you think you'll be at any point this year be back to where you were before the injury?
I think so. I've only had 2.5 practices, actually real practices. I know we won't be going that hard during the playoff time, but the more practice time I do get, all that's going to get better.
I mean, like an idea of how long?
No, I don't really have an idea. It'll happen soon, I think.
Andrew, were you pleased or disappointed?
A little bit of both, mixed emotions. Like I said, the first half came out, it was a little bit slow. That's to be expected. Picked up, in the second half. Defensively, I think I could be a little better.
It's more not important. Any limitation of the knee or
we don't know. We'll know tomorrow. Hopefully, there'll be no swelling and things like that, and just ice it up on the plane right over there, and I hope things are going well.
How big a concern is that, though?
For the back-to-back, will there be any type of minute restrictions or?
Probably something like tonight, 5 minutes every quarter or something like that. That's what I'm thinking.
Are you excited to be able to just test it out and get that back-to-back situation?
You know what? I thought I was only going to have the last 2 games of the season, and then I was starting with Memphis, which was a little bit crazy. But I was happy I was able to get back and play these first 2, get some more exposure, get some more minutes, get some more time out there with the guys. I haven't been able to do that, for the majority of the season, so it feels good.
A little extra body armor.
Yeah, I need to, right? Cole made a joke. He was like, "You stand on the ground. Don't go for no lobs or nothing like that."